So anyway, I just want to make this a quick tip. Free weed block, biodegradable, good for the earth. Hopefully some of you guys find it helpful. Okay, so I've got a lot of weeds growing again. You can see this section I did over here is still looking okay, but this section is not. It's a nightmare of weeds all around the AC unit, the pavers, and so on. So I'm going to try my cardboard work here and some mulch and see if I can get at least part of this section cleaned up today. Okay, I've got these weeds trimmed down a bit now. Still not perfect, but it's a good start. I'm going to get ready to lay my free weed block, which, as you can see over here, are cardboard boxes. And I'm going to try to get most of the tape off, if not all of it. That is not biodegradable, but the cardboard is. So we'll get my X-Acto knife and get to work. All right, cardboard is down. And I'm looking at this space. And I got to say, I don't know if I have enough mulch here. I got 4 bags full. So let me get to work and see if I can cover this up. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how to spread it, or an easy way. Make sure you wear gloves because some of these have dyes that aren't the best thing for you. So, no more weeds, and there won't be probably for about a year. After about a year, this will degrade down. But again, it's a good fix, good weed block, and biodegradable and free. All right, well, it's almost dark, so I am finishing up now, and you can kind of see the area here. I actually used 2 colors. This color, the dark one, was supposed to match this segment, but over time that segment's gotten faded out by the sun. So got kind of a 2-tone look going here, kind of weird. If you like a certain color, let me know, and next year I'll do the whole thing in that color. How about that? The job is done. Total cost of the mulch was $13. Total cost of the cardboard was $0. And it looks a little better than the weeds. Thanks for watching.